Hey loves, today's video is an Amazon palette review and 2-in-1 eyeshadow tutorial. Today I am reviewing the FindinBeauty 35 color warm fall palette. I purchased the FindinBeauty 35 color warm fall palette on Amazon for $14.99 with free shipping with Amazon Prime. This palette has 21 mattes, 12 shimmers, and 2 glitters. I am using my LA Colors Pro Shadow Shader to highlight my brow bone with this matte cream shade. Now with my Ruby Kisses small eyeshadow brush, I'm putting this red berry color directly into and slightly above the crease of my eye. I am taking this bright orange on my Start mini blending brush and applying it right above that berry color. I am blending my shadows together with the LA Color Pro Shadow Blender. I am using my ColorMates eyeshadow brush to highlight my brow bone with the LA Colors Strobing Illuminating Powder in Champagne. I am applying this deep burgundy to the outer half of my lid using the AOA E113. I am placing this dark gold on the remainder of my lid using my Remy Rose eyeshadow brush. For liner, I am using the Colourpop Cream Gel Color in Best O on my e.l.f. small angled brush. I think it really complemented the shadows in this look. I am using a new mascara today. It is the Believe Beauty Volumin'eyes mascara. I picked it up from Dollar General and I love it already. This applicator is perfect. It grabbed and coated every lash. The lashes I chose to pair with this look are the Miss 3D Makeup Soft in the style 55. I am bringing that deep red shade that I placed in my crease down to my lower lash line with the AOA E115. I am lining my waterline with the Colourpop BFF Cream Gel Liner in Best O. I am using my Bazic Beauty small eyeshadow brush to highlight the inner corner of my eye with the LA Colors Illuminating Powder that I used on my brow bone. Look number 1 is complete and I love how it came out. I really like how the Colourpop liner paired so well with the shadows in this look. I am starting off look number 2 by highlighting my brow bone with that matte cream shade, again using my LA Colors Pro Shadow Shader. I am applying this dark pink shadow directly into and slightly above the crease of my eye using my Ruby Kisses small eyeshadow brush. I am highlighting my brow bone with the InStudio Cosmetics highlighter in Champagne Glow using my ColorMates eyeshadow brush. I am blending my brow bone highlight and crease shadow together with the Beauty Accents Blending Eyeshadow brush. With my Remy Rose eyeshadow brush, I am placing this gorgeous wine red on the outer half of my lid. I am applying this shimmery purple to the remainder of my lid using my Bazic Beauty eyeshadow brush. For my eyeliner, I use the Nicka Microfine Artliner in black as a base for the Colourpop BFF Cream Gel Liner in Boots. Now I'm applying a coat of the Believe Beauty Volumin'eyes Mascara. For this look, I went with a pair of lashes that I have really been loving. They are the Lovet Luxury 3D Lashes in the style 365. I am applying this matte purple to my lower lash line using my Aloe E115. I am lining my waterline with the Boots eyeliner, and this is such a pretty bright pink. I am using my Bazic Beauty small eyeshadow brush to highlight the inner corner of my eye with the Champagne Glow highlighter. Here is my second completed look using the FindinBeauty 35 color palette. I love how different this one is from the first. This pink and purple combo is so pretty. It's time that I give you my final thoughts on the FindinBeauty 35 color warm fall palette. I enjoyed creating these two looks with the palette. The texture is pretty good, not too soft, not too dry. They blended out fairly easy. The pigmentation, the mattes are very pigmented and took very little to get that opaque color that they have in the palette. The shimmers, on the other hand, do need to be built up, and they look a lot better when they're applied wet. Overall, I recommend you pick this palette up. There will be a link in the description. There will also be a list of all of the other products that I used in today's video. Drop a comment down below telling me what you thought, and until next time, bye loves!